What's up, guys? We are back at it. We have made it to Zion National Park in the great state of Utah. Let's go for a ride. Let's get it. We are riding dirty right now. Zion, baby. First pull out. Too soon, Junior. Oh, 12 miles, twisty. Wow! Woo! Hey! Zion! Oh, 20! Let's get that knee out a little bit there. Woo! Jeez, we are in it. I might have to run this twice. Whoa! Look at that! Oh my God! This place is gnarly. Whoa! Zion's nuts. You definitely gotta come here. Utah, here's my boy! Moomin Rider! My boy! Oh, this could have been a good road if this guy wasn't impinging. It's actually pretty damn tight. This road's a tight one. Whoa! Seeing that? That's what I'm talking about. Whoa! Look at that in front of us. Tap the brakes. Get that knee out. Second gear city, baby. Tunnel blasting coming up. Watch for lights, it says. Whoa! Oh, that's cool. Let's go! This guy's ruining my time though. It's alright. We'll go back. Ah, my boy's here. Haha. Trike man. Zion's got some insane mountains. However they made this road, I don't know. Well, they just blew it up. They just blew it all up. I don't know how. Let's see. I think we got another tunnel coming up here. Whoa. I guess this is the tunnel of love. This tunnel's not that good. Whoa! Very dark! Woo, you heard that? Listen. We're in it now. The big tunnel. Woo, look at that view. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that view. That's it, baby. That's what it's all about. Oh, the downhill descent now. Whoa, baby! Look at that view. Oh, look at this thing right there. Look at this archway. I don't even know what that is. It's blowing my mind. This place is nuts. You definitely have to come to Zion if you have the chance. Oh, Zion! This place is nuts. I love it. I love it. Oh man, look at these views. Zion is like nothing else. What a place. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Whoa, Sandy. Sandy. I don't like the sand. I don't like the sand. That thing. Look at that thing. I'm glad I came to Zion. I wasn't going to come here because I was going to head west But this was like an hour north, so whatever, it was worth it. Oh my goodness, it was worth it. This place is amazing. Oh, look at this turn. A little guidance. I love when there's a little gradient in the turn. It guides you in the turn. It's beautiful. Whoa, the downhill is hard. It's hard. Sandy. Oh, and then my boy's gonna ruin it. But look at these. Outside, inside, clip it. Outside, inside, clip it. You suck, you jackass. Oh, this guy really sucked it out of me here. Well, boys and girls, it has been a pleasure riding Zion National Park in the great state of Utah. We're gonna keep heading west, southwest towards Sequoia National Park and Kings Canyon. We will be there tonight, maybe, and we'll ride it tomorrow. Let's get it. Love you.